Hello, my name is Guillermo Cruz Estrada, and I'm going to present my topic that is called Early Detection of Rust in Coffee Plantations through Convolutional Neural Network. What is the problem? Actually, one of the main problems in the world of agriculture is the loss of plantations. Our case of study is coffee plantations. We experiment and develop an AI model based on plants photographs to help for one of these types of problems, the coffee rust. What is an entire plant bush or mesosystem label? Just like the image explained, a photo that takes a reference of the plant body. Such photos will be analyzed by the AI model CNN to give an alert when signs of rust are detected. What is a convolutional neural network or CNN? In simple terms, it's a type or model of AI that takes every pixel from an image and pixels around the struct it features. In this example, an image is the input. The CNN takes the pictures from all the area, try to detect if there are edges, vertical or horizontal lines to later group these characteristics and to form figures more complex, and finally classify what type of objects is the input picture. In our case, an image of this type is analyzed to later have an output, where the presence of pests is marked. Another important thing that we need to know is a dataset concept. The Oxford Dictionary defines a dataset as a collection of data that a computer treats a single unit. This means that a dataset contains a large amount of separate data, but it can be used to train an algorithm to find predictable patterns within the entire dataset. For the train a machine learning model, we need to give many examples, in our case, images of coffee plants to detect if rust is present in them. The synthetic data is another term that we need to understand because for our objective we have to create a synthetic data set to simulate coffee plantation effect with rust because the difficulty of take images from actual infected crops, generally the producers take cares of crops. So synthetic data are simulated or algorithmically produced data. They are valid alternative to train or create AI models. This data reflects real world data and research show that they can be good or even better for training AI model. No, that we know of the concept, we need to label each of the images to train our CNN because this label will allow to models to focus on the specific area of interest. This will make it easier to recognize the elements that are required with the image. Two types of datasets were created. One, as shows in the image below, another as shows in the image below. They have different labelings. One where the label area is larger and one where the label is more concentrated and focused at the point of interest, which in this case is the rust. With the first training set, where the label use a larger area within the image, the results were only of the 60% effective during the training. Therefore, these types of marks or labels didn't work good enough for the purpose. Here we can see that during the test, the predictions marks didn't indicate all the expected spots. Images with better form labels at the point of interest show a better result, reaching almost 100% accuracy in predictions during the training. Here, notice how the predictions during the test were much better than in the first experiments. Finally, the contribution of this work is focused in coping with rust detection in the mesosystem level, using full plants pictures instead of just LEDs. This is an innovative perspective as it can be useful for technicalians in the ground. The experimentations persecuted with the network helped to understand how dataset banks should be treated proper use a CNN model to get satisfactory result. Thank you so much.